If you've ever used Excel or Google Sheets, but wish they were easier to organize and automate, Airtable might be exactly what you're looking for. And honestly, one of the reasons Airtable has become so popular is that it combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of a database. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable step by step in 2026 for complete beginners first. What is Airtable? Airtable is a cloud-based platform that helps you organize information, manage projects, track tasks, store data, and collaborate with teams. Many people use it for project management, content planning, CRM systems, inventory, tracking, marketing campaigns, and business workflows. Now, the first step, create your Airtable account. Once you sign up, you'll enter your workspace, which is where all your projects and databases will be stored. Inside Airtable, everything starts with a base. A base is essentially a database or a collection of information related to a specific project. For example, you could create a base for customer management, content planning, sales, tracking, or inventory management. Now let's create your first base. Click Create a Base. You can start from scratch or use one of Airtable's many templates. For beginners, templates are often helpful because they already include common fields and layouts. Now let's talk about tables, because tables are where your data is stored. Each row represents a record, and each column represents a field. For example, if you're creating a customer database, your columns might include name, email, phone, number, status, and notes. Each new customer would be added as a separate row. Now, one thing that makes Airtable different from traditional spreadsheets is field types, because columns can be customized to store specific kinds of information. For example, you can create fields for text, numbers, dates, attachments, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and even links to other tables. This helps keep your data organized and consistent. Now let's talk about views, because Airtable allows you to see the same information in different ways. Some popular views include grid view, calendar view, Kanban view, gallery view, and timeline view. For example, content creator may use calendar view to schedule future posts, while a project manager may prefer Kanban view to track task progress. Now, another powerful feature, filtering and sorting, because as your database grows, finding information quickly becomes important. Airtable allows you to filter records, sort data, create custom views, and display only the information you need. This can save a huge amount of time, especially when working with large projects. Now let's talk about collaboration, because Airtable is designed for teams. You can invite other people to view and collaborate in the same database in real time. This makes it useful for businesses, agencies, and remote teams. Now, another feature worth exploring: automations. Airtable can automate repetitive tasks such as sending notifications, updating records, assigning tasks, and triggering workflows. Even beginners can create simple automations without writing code. Now, here's an important tip: don't try to build a complicated database immediately. Many beginners create too many fields, many tables, and too many automations on day one. Start with a simple structure and expand as your needs grow. Now, let's be honest for a second. Airtable may look like a spreadsheet at first, but it's much more powerful than that. Once you learn how base, tables, views, and automations work together, you can organize almost any type of information efficiently. So to wrap this up, to get started with Airtable in 2026, create an account, build your first base, add tables and fields, organize records, explore different views as filters, and sorting and automate repetitive tasks. Because honestly, Airtable is one of the most flexible productivity tools available today, and it's a great skill to learn whether you're working alone or managing an entire team.